All right, everyone. This is the 2023 Vitacci Tank 200 EFI. It is electronic fuel injected 168cc scooter, despite it being called the 200. A lot of places will list it as a 200cc scooter. I got this from powersportsmax.com, delivered to my home in California. I think it took about a week, maybe a week and a half, before I got everything straightened out and got all the shipping, everything straightened out and scheduled. Take a look at it here. This is basically a Yamaha Zuma clone, and we'll take a look at it here. Give you a little walk around. Have not got a chance to get it registered yet in the state of California, which is, this is DOT, California Air Resources Board approved, state of California approved scooter. Got the electronic fuel injection, so that means it does not have a traditional carburetor like many of them do. It's got 12-inch wheels, front and back disc brakes. Some of the scooters you'll see, especially like the Vitacci Clash and some of the other ones, have front disc brakes and the rear drum brakes. This has front and rear disc brakes. And it came about 85% assembled. You see here, disc brakes in the back. It's got dual shock suspension. Has a GY6 clone engine. So it's pretty easy to work on. It's got a lot of parts that are fairly easy to find. Digital speedometer. Turn that on. See that? Let's start it up. Give you how it feels, how it sounds. It's running. Starts up pretty easily. Haven't had any issues with it. Took me about 3 hours to put it fully together. I'm not really that mechanically inclined. I mean, I can do a few things here and there. Go ahead and shut it off. To open the storage unit back here, compartment, take the key and twist to the left. It pops this. And open it up. Got some storage, got a little toolkit. This is where you fill the gas. Takes about 1.25 gallons, I believe, gas. And I think what I had to do, I had to put the handlebars on. I had to attach the handlebars. I had to put the front wheel on. It's got pegs for the rear rider, like that. And to put them back, they just slide like that. And they go back. It's a 2023 Vitacci Tank 200. Haven't had a chance to ride it a whole lot. I don't have the registration for it yet, so can't take it out on the road. But so far, haven't had any issues. I put it together fairly easy. I followed the instructions for the X Pro Tahiti. There is a video here on YouTube for the X Pro Tahiti that shows people constructing it, and similar models also go by the name, I believe, Ice Bear Ascend 150, and might be a couple others. This one's just branded Vitacci. It's basically the importer, I believe, and they're actually made by a Chinese company that I can't pronounce at the moment. But yeah, if you're having trouble figuring out how to, if you buy one of these and it doesn't come with any instructions on how to assemble it, so I watched the YouTube video for the X Pro Tahiti 150 scooter, which is very, very similar, and saw what they were doing and figured out how to put it together that way. And that's about it for the scooter. I think it cost me $1,600, including shipping. A lot of places will do free shipping, but then they'll raise the price of it $200 or $300. So you're paying for shipping no matter what. You think you're getting free shipping and you're really not. It's built into the price. Let me know if you want any other videos on this, and I'll put them up. That's about it. Thanks.